Hello, it's me, Lynette. So today we are going to discuss about how to create one Adidas logo. Step one, we have to create one circle with a Shift key. So hold on Shift key and drag on the artboard. Okay. Step two, select rotate tool and hold on Alt key on Windows, Option key on Mac. Then make sure you have to click exactly bottom anchor point of circle. So I click on anchor point. Then next things, set angle 49 degree. Then apply copy of this. Next third step, select that copied circle here. Then apply edit, copy and edit paste in front. After that, select reflect tool, then find out that all below anchor point and top middle anchor point of old circle. After that, next step, select line tool, then create it exactly vertical direction of old circle. And if you hover it here, you can get that like a intersection point of that vertical line. Hold on Shift key and drag right and left direction like this. And next step, select left circle and hold on Alt key and drag and set that intersection point perfectly. So you can just adjust with a keyboard arrow key here, then you can get it that perfect position. Okay. Next step, select circle again and go edit, copy, edit, paste in front. Select reflect tool again and find out any of that vertical intersection point of old circle. So once you done, see the main part is ready, and you can delete it, that horizontal and vertical line. Next, select all the circles here and apply shape builder for that. So I select the shape builder, and after that we have to switch to the fill color, then just single click of each division. So 1 2 3, now it's created perfectly. And next step, we have to delete this rest of all the stocks. So for that, I select first division and I hold on Shift key, third one, then second one and third one. After that, we need this all and we have to delete rest of that. So for that, I hold on Shift key, then I select all the shapes again. So we got vice versa selection. Now you can delete it. So you can move it wherever you want. And next step, we have to make that below that gaps, that we have 5 gaps actually. So for me, I think this is fine. Then I have to move a little bit upper. Okay, just slides adjustments. Okay, and next things, I have to hold on Alt key and Shift key too, and I have to drag and set it here. So and now we got 2. Next, I'm going to press Ctrl D to repeat again. So I press Ctrl D, Ctrl D and Ctrl D. Now I got that 5 shapes as well. See, now if you want, you can adjust it, that all that gaps wherever you want. So I need this much. Now you can adjust it yourself. Suppose if you want move a little bit up, or you can adjust it as well. And the next thing, select all of that here and select shape builder, then hold on Alt key in Windows, Option key in Mac. Then I trimmed this rest of the edges like this. And next things we have to like merge these divisions. So I have to click and drag carefully here, click and drag carefully here, click and drag, click and drag till end of this division, click and drag again. Now see, we got all the gaps perfectly. Now I have to delete that first one, then the third one, then fourth one. Now see, we got all the shapes perfectly. Now select this two and change the color. Now our main logo is ready. In my case, I'm here keeping one of that that Adidas logo name here. Then what I'm going to do, I'm just arranging for the final decorations. So if you like, please subscribe, comment and share it. See you guys next time. Thank you.